All right, it's March 12th, 2016. This is the old 390 FE block. Board 60,000. Nice, pretty bores. Got some pretty bells and whistles to put on it. Performer RPM intake. Right now I got a Holley 650 double pumper on it. Got a MSD 6AL2 spark box. New MSD billet distributor. An MSD starter. 140 amp alternator. What we got there? We got a Tigger supervising, guarding the beer. Got a new painless wiring set up. Gonna mount the battery and all the wires in the trunk and run them forward. Gonna have the battery and the fuse block right there where the old spare tire used to go. There's a shitload of parts that need to be sandblasted. There's a granny and Cy. Me and Tigger are doing the video of the 58's engine. We're getting ready to put the Edelbrock cam in.
Oh.
See, Tigger's up there on the top there, supervising.
Yeah, I see.
What's up, Cy?
And there's he's drinking your beer too, huh?
Tigger, don't be drinking that beer.
Cy. What a guy.
He looks huge in your arms there.
You're getting huge. You're just talking about how